Hi everyone, my name is Megan Pasricha,
And I'm Dr. Serena Pasricha.
and we are the co-founders of Global Youth H.E.L.P, a nonprofit organization that trains young people like you to become leaders in your communities through service. Normally we start off these videos with Happy Thrive Day and provide tips to help you thrive. These days though, it feels a little more like Survive Day.
As a doctor, I just want to say this is a really scary time for everyone. With coronavirus and COVID-19, this is a global health pandemic, and all we want is for you and your family to stay safe. So please adhere to the CDC guidelines and practice social distancing. We'll get through this time together.
And we've been receiving a lot of questions. We know that a lot of people are impacted by the coronavirus, but we've been getting questions from college students who are worried and they're feeling lost. So a lot of campuses have shut down early, graduation ceremonies have been postponed indefinitely, and some graduation ceremonies have been canceled. A lot of college students also worked really hard to earn summer internships and are now receiving emails that their internships are moving online or are canceled altogether. And a lot of you are left asking the question, what now?
First, we know that losing your summer internship, that sucks. And you might have been looking forward to learning a new skill or getting money to help support your family or even helping to pay off some of your student loans. But not everything has been lost, and we're going to give you some tips and advice to help kind of turn that around. This is not your fault, and this is not in your control. So don't beat yourself up about this.
Really, the only thing in your control is how quickly you change your mindset and pivot to be productive this summer. So we're going to share a few tips to help you still use this time to build your career skill set. Given the global health crisis, this might also be an opportunity to build your leadership skills while serving your community and helping people in need. We always feel that doing something is better than doing nothing. This is a call to action. So let's get into it. 7 tips to transform a canceled college summer internship into a career building opportunity. Tip 1, shift your mindset and pivot quickly. We know this is extremely frustrating and disappointing and overwhelming. So let's start with something easy. First, make a list of all of your strengths and skills. Next, make a list of all the skills that you wanted to build over the summer and as you start out your career. You can use these 2 lists now to guide how you want to spend your time this summer to be productive.
Step 2, strengthen and build your network. Make a LinkedIn profile. Reach out to old friends, mentors, college alumni, and get advice from these people. Most people are at home now, and so they have time to devote to talking with you and giving some advice, so take advantage of that.
Tip 3, take industry-specific courses and training. In step 1, you made a list of all the skills that you want to build as you start your career. A great way to get that foundation is by taking courses and training and gaining certifications. You might also be able to reach out to your school registrar or your career services office and see if you can get course credit for it and help improve your GPA. Also, look for free online resources, maybe marketing courses or finance and accounting classes, and you can also apply for grants.
Tip 4, conduct research or lab work with a professor. As a doctor, I spent many summers working in different laboratories and doing research. You might be able to apply for a grant from your university, or you might even be able to get course credit for doing the work that you're doing. It's a great opportunity to learn a new skill set and also to develop a relationship with a professor who might be able to write a strong letter of recommendation for you. Also, you don't necessarily have to go in person to do research. If your professor has a data set or database that you can conduct research on, you can do some of the work from home as well.
Tip 5, identify and reach out to companies that are ramping up. Some companies are expanding really quickly in this uncertain environment. So think about telemedicine or video conferencing, delivery services and subscription services, online education and streaming platforms. All of these companies are ramping very quickly and they might have internship opportunities or full-time opportunities available. Being a college student might also give you a competitive advantage. As a consumer of educational platforms and social media, you might have some insights and expertise that you can bring to the table.
Tip 6. Volunteer or work at a nonprofit organization. This is a global pandemic and nonprofit organizations need our help now more than ever. So please get involved. You can build your career skill set while helping other people. That's the best of both worlds. When you work with a nonprofit organization, you can help revamp some of the current and existing programs that they have. You can work on redesigning a website, helping with social media marketing. There's so many ways to get involved. So just reach out and find out what need does that nonprofit organization have.
Tip 7, launch your own project and build your leadership toolkit. If summer internship opportunities are not working out, make your own. We have a number of examples on our website, globalyouthhelp.org, and our social media at Global Youth Help. But here are a few examples. You can launch your own YouTube channel or start an online course to teach younger students about something you're passionate about. You can become an entrepreneur. Maybe there's an issue you've faced or you've seen people in your community face, and you can come up with a solution. Finally, turn your passion into action by launching a service project and building your leadership skills. For example, you can fundraise and donate backpacks to students in need before the next school year starts. You can make video messages and connect virtually with elderly people or people who are sick and are feeling lonely in this time of isolation. You can also deliver canned goods and hygiene products like soap and shampoo and toothpaste to local shelters or your Veterans Association. For more ideas, visit us at Global Youth Help.
At Global Youth Help, we believe that service is the best training ground for developing your skills and also help other people. You're never too young to lead. All it takes is just helping one person, and that makes a difference.
Service is a low-risk way to practice some of the skills that you need for your career. Marketing, fundraising, public speaking, organizing events, whether it's in person or virtually. Service can also help put our challenges into perspective. There are people who really need our help right now. And so service is a great way to practice those leadership skills, but help our community in a time where they really need it the most. You also don't have to do this alone. You can work with friends, family members, or partner with organizations to make it more fun and expand your reach to help more people, and also practice teamwork and leadership.
For more resources like this video, comment and subscribe.
Let us know if there are other topics you also want to hear about. And until next time,
Happy Thrive Day!